Let's get summer ready with these fun sticker books from Planything. Hello everybody, this is Priya here. Welcome back to my channel if you're returning. And if this is the first time, thank you so much for checking out this channel and hope all of you like today's fun videos, Summaries 1. And these are two of the older sticker books that Planything had released a couple of years ago. And I have used a lot of these, but since it was a fan favorite, Planything is bringing in elements from both of these sticker books to bring a new sticker book called Tropical Beach. So she combined it to make a tropical beach. So that book is releasing on May 1st, and I thought I will bring in elements from both of these sticker books which I have in my stash to create a fun spread which you can pull together from the new sticker book that releases. If you would like to see how this turns out, please stick around. And I will also have these washi tapes. She also has a lot of washi tapes coming out. And this was again from the same collection, and these are the older ones. I think she is releasing similar colors, and she has like 24 washi tapes coming out. So come on, you'll have matching colors for every one of your spreads. So unlike the newer sticker books, these don't have codes. So I do have these codes from Darby. These are from my stash, and some of the older ones, the sail and the summary, the beachy ones, all of those. And I also have the sand. That this was a printable and so was this, so just have everything ready. And I also have another functional book from Planything which I can reach for if needed. So I'm starting off with possibly the left margin. That is usually the space for a lot of function. And I also want to bring in some fun element, because as you can see, I've used those books quite well. You will get to see more as I really turn the pages. So trying to bring in elements from both the books equally, because there are lots of elements that you can choose from, including the functional boxes and a lot of deco. So just first things first, I want all the function for all the busy days that will be happening. So just I wanted to bring in that green, but that box was too long, so I did some surgery, and then I'm trying to match the size of the box, but that's the one in the middle, so it's okay. And onto that washi tape which coordinates perfectly, and I realized that it's much wider than what I would like. So getting my paper trimmer to, that's a smart trick you can do. Just make sure you have it placed correctly, and then you have two thinner strips of the same color. So that's a nice way to bring in some color without too much space being taken. So I have those placed on the boxes, and I decide to switch out that last one on the left margin. And now on to adding some fun elements for the boxes, because I'm planning to decorate all around the box, and then comes a lot of the decoration on the other areas. So just whiting that out with the Uniball Signal, which is my favorite. And then on to I knew I wanted that seahorse, but at the end you will see that I switched it out because I did not like how it looked at the very end. And on to adding more fun elements from the book. So I'm using both the books combined, because that's how the new book is coming, because it's called Tropical Beach and it will have chosen elements from both the books. So I did not have any discrimination between the books. So I really loved how it actually turned out at the very end. And just place those elements first so that I will know exactly where to white out. And that Uniball Signo, again, I had shared it in one of my earlier videos as well. My tip to getting a very juicy whiting ink is to store the pen upside down so that the tip or the nib will always have juice flowing freely when you want. So that is the tip I shared. I had shared it in one of my earlier videos. So that's something you can do. And then bringing in some of those florals, those hibiscus for some balance. And then as you will see that I just kept adding and adding and adding because I wanted to fill some of that empty space in between the boxes. So just trying to balance out the colors there. And also I wanted to make such elements that are sticking onto the boxes look seamless. So that is the reason why I have those whited out in certain areas. And then trying to balance out the colors. That was all that was happening because I knew I needed to bring in those smaller twigs and leaves and all the broken shells, all the things that you would find on a beach. I wanted to bring in some of those elements and different twigs, different kinds of leaves, different colors. So all of that, I think adding these tiny elements add so much interest, and that is exactly what brings the spreads together. So just again, for larger portions, I like to bring my Tombow whitener. I will link all the products down in the description. Those are affiliate links, but you can pick it up. Again, this precision tweezer is one of my absolute favorite tool right now. And I wasn't sure what I would be doing with that beach sand and the water, those intersection areas. So I decided to move things around, move that flamingo, and then I end up moving that functional box up and then trying to make sure it's straight. And then I go back and white the lines behind those ocean waters and that swing so that it can just look like one single scene. And bringing in that washi tape from Planything. Also, those hibiscus are also from there. And just whiting out those longer days of the week. And then alternating it with functional stickers from Planything. This sticker book has everything. It does not have quotes since these were the older ones, but these were all matte finish as well. So it looks really nice in person, much more prettier than what you see here. And going to get a couple of quotes from Planet Darby. And I will try and link Darby's shop. So please make sure you grab her lettering. Is something I'm in love with. So I try and bring in her lettering into my weeks whenever I can. Bringing in some more some more of those fun, beachy, mountainy vibes because I wanted to bring those to balance out the colors. And then comes a coconut tree and trying to see where I can move that sunglass before I finally give that seahorse and those ocean waters some room. And I love how that turned out, trying to bring some more color with the florals on the left side, trying to balance it out. The dates and the month are from the Rainbow Dated. Mojo Jojo Plans also has a huge release happening on May 3rd, which is the Friday at 9 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. And she has amazing functional stickers, and I will have all the details in the description as well. Priya 10 earns you 10% off at Mojo Jojo Plans as well. I think I'm done with my spread. I really love how this turned out. So beachy, summery, nice, fun, tropical elements. And I used Tropical Vibes and Floral Beach. So you can grab the new Tropical Beach, which is a combination of these two sticker books. Lots of fun stuff, lots of functional and decorative elements. So summery. And you can use my code PRIYA10 to pick up anything at Planything and at Mojo Jojo Plans. Dates and the month I brought in the rainbow dated, but the rest of the function is all from the Planything sticker books. If you pick up the Planything sticker books, you have all the functional boxes, bullet points, either newer ones have even the codes, everything ready to go if you grab a sticker book. So don't wait on this, it will sell out very quick. So don't sleep on it, grab it right away. And you can use my code PRIYA10 on anything, even if the items are on discount, you can get an additional 10% when you use my code PRIYA10. And I brought in all the elements from these two sticker books, and the washi tapes are all from Planything. And she does have, this was from the older collection, so this is the summer of 2022. So I write, can you see that inside the washi tape? I think I have pretty much all their sticker books from, even not from 2020, but I think I started in 2021 or something, and I have most of their sticker books. So I'm glad she's bringing this back. This was a crowd pleaser, this was a fan favorite, and I'm one of the fans of this sticker book. And these two codes are from Planet Darby. I will link all the products I have, including all the tools I'm using, so you can pick it up if you would like to use that. So for the Muji 0.7, I will try and link it in the description. And hope you liked today's video. Let me know in the comments if you're planning to pick anything up from the Planything May release. We are, as of the day of filming, I do not know what the big announcement is. Amber, who is the owner of Planything, has disclosed that she will be having a big announcement because it's her 4-year anniversary of Planything. So we are all eagerly awaiting. I can't wait to hear what it is. And do you have any guesses what it is going to be? Let me know in the comments below. I'm not sure when you will be seeing this, but whenever you do, make sure you please log on to the Planything website and grab it, because it is going to be sold out pretty soon. I can say that. So thank you so much for watching. I will have my Instagram handle as well down in the description. Hope you come hang out with us over on Instagram. It's a nice community out there. And thank you so much for watching. I hope you would consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the bell notification if you haven't already. It really helps me out with the growth of the channel. And the more folks who use my code at Planything, I do have a better chance of getting products to show off to you, share the products before it releases to the public. So I would really appreciate your support. I know there are a lot of affiliates, but please make sure you either support me or some other affiliate for sure. It's your chance to brighten up their day. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you would consider subscribing and turning on the bell notification if you haven't already. And please like, share, comment, do all the fun things that help me grow. Thank you for all the support, for all the returning viewers, subscribers. I really appreciate you. I truly see every time you make a comment, you make a comeback, you check out my video again. So thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next one. Bye.